how to change app icons on Android. So hey everybody, welcome back. You may follow up this method in order to do so. First of all, you can head over to your device's settings, open it up, and then from here you may just scroll down from the given options and locate up the option called themes within your settings of your Android. And once you are here, you will be finding different options available. Like themes, wallpaper, icons. You may locate up the option called icons and tap on it. Now once tapped on icons there, you will be getting different icons available. Some of them are something you need to pay for, but if you are looking for the free, you can use the search at the top and directly search for free here. Hit search like this, and once you hit search, you will be getting different free icons themes available. So if you would like to change your icon, you can locate up one of the icons like this. Let me head over this one right here. And once you do that, you can select the option called download, tap on it, confirm it, and apply the changes. And when you do, you should be finding the app's icons being changed on your device. So that is it. You may follow up this method in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.